Okay, got a 6-pin Yale from Steensy. I went ahead and loosened the clip on the back a little bit because I don't have a key for it. It is a half euro cylinder. So let's go right there. I'm going to lift up on the pins a little bit and go on this ledge. There's 6, 5, 4, got a little turn. 3, 2, and 1. And it's open on 1. As you can tell, since I loosened the clip up, hang on to the cord or the plug so it don't fly out. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and finish taking it off. I loosened it since I didn't have the key, so I didn't lock it back up on myself. And we'll go ahead, turn it a little bit, and we'll go ahead and shim it, since it does have that little I don't know if I can get that shim in there or not. Okay, I got it covered at least. There we go. Okay. Don't have a key, so there's 1. Standard looks like standard. Those are serrated. Let me get the pick here. Oh, that one just goes there. And serrated. Let's see here. 2, 3, and 5 looks to be the only threads that I can see. There's the shim. That's standard. Beautiful serrated spool. I think there's been oil, some kind of oil or something put in here. Another looks like a serrated spool. It's greasy, oily spool. Okay, I believe there's a wafer, and I didn't see which way that popped out. So Steensy, let me know, buddy, so I can put it back in there the right way. And another spool. And I'm not going. Some of these springs are caught in there because it is oily. That one come there. Try to get this spring out, so I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit. Yep, there it is. That one there. I don't think there's been any threading done that I can tell. I don't really feel nothing. Well, I take it back. Number 1 or 2. 2 kind of feels threaded. And 5. 2, 3, 5. I bet it's the same. 2, 3. Okay. Alright. Here is this challenge lock from Steensy. Appreciate the lock. And as always, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And let me know about this wafer. I'm thinking it was that way because the wafer was behind the pin on my follower. So, alright, everyone, have a good one. Thanks.